What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today's video, I was finally going through my collection and I found the pair of Jordan 1s we hardly talk about, so I want to give it some light today. But before that, yes sir, I want to do a Supreme unboxing. Not only because I hear y'all in my comments saying, what's up with the Supreme? You ain't copping no Supreme this season. It kind of foreshadows the Jordan 1 that I'm talking about in this video. So I got this, I think last week's drop. I can't remember. Well, bam. Yes, sir. So Supreme did a collab with a company called Hysteric Glamour. I'm not really aware of them. I'm not sure that I should be aware of them. It looks like more for lady fashion. But I brought the lunchbox for wifey. Very nice, man. Got the girl, throwing up her explicit finger and stuff. Leopard. Very dope. But as I said, this foreshadows the Jordan 1 I'm talking about. Let's see why. Yes, sir. So as you can see off the bat, this is not your regular Jordan 1 box at all. It's just like a suitcase. So in here we have your Jordan 1 SP Genus. Now, if y'all not aware of who Gina is a teacher in Los Angeles, and she always shopped at Shoe Palace. So much, somehow, Jordan Brand, Shoe Palace got together and gave her her own sneaker. These released May 25th. I remember that date. I just can't remember the year. 2019. Had to be 2019. I remember the date because they dropped on shoepalace.com exclusively. You couldn't get them on a Nike app, couldn't get them on Foot Locker, Foot Action, etc. It was only a Shoe Palace exclusive. And I remember kept getting added to cart, but then it couldn't get in the cart. So that's how I kind of remember the dates. It sucked that I remember certain sneaker releases on how it was released, on why I didn't get it, or why did I get it. In that comment section below, let me know if you remember dates based on that, just like me. I don't want to feel like a weirdo. But yeah, they dropped on Shoe Palace exclusively, and then I think a week later, Sneakers app got them. But Shoe Palace was the only one to get the exclusive box. When I say exclusive box, man, I mean exclusive box. Like, the lunchbox situation is dope, but it's more than that. If you come around here, you can see it says SP Gina. Down here, super dope, man. You got your Nike logo, they go a picture of Gina, the Shoe Palace logo, and then the regular logos you see on regular Jordan 1s. I don't know how durable this thing is, but it's definitely a dope look. And one more thing it came with. Damn, this was the icing on the cake for me. Who remembers the Jordans when they came with the card? The card was a big thing back in the days. But if you look at the one, instead of having the regular Chicago one there that I think is usually there, look what you have there. The Genus. Very dope. You flip the card around, and they go, picture of Gina, flight school, the teacher there. And I'm at Instagram at Cno718. But follow Gina's Instagram also. She's a great follow. She's in every Jordan colorway, every Jordan silhouette. Very dope, man. She's a dope follow. So yeah, that's the card. Let's get more into the sneaker. Yes, sir. So on the right foot, you have a gold apple. And you know apple signifies education, teacher. And it has the Jordan man there. And this thing is heavy. This is a heavy tag. This is not like a light tag. This is a heavy tag. You flip it open, over, and then boom, the Shoe Palace logo. Very dope, man. It's an all black sneaker with some, I guess you could call it disco ball effects. But what I really like is how the swoosh in the toe box is the same thing. Swoosh, toe box. Then you got like a disco ball effect all around the sneaker. Regular black Jordan 1 tongue. Nothing different on the tongue. And the inside also sports Gina's picture. Her face rather. Very dope look, Jordan brand. The shoestrings are not your regular Jordan 1 shoestrings. They more of a, well, maybe they are. They just got like a little light coat, paint black on it, so it doesn't look like, you know, just your regular flimsy Jordan 1 shoestrings. And I mean, flimsy is like a lack of a better word, because I love the Jordan 1 shoestrings, but y'all get my drift. The bottom, all red. Dope sneaker, man. The left shoe to the sneaker comes with a red shoestring. Looks to have that other, like that other extra coat of like material also to make the shoestring a little more thicker than your average Jordan 1 shoestrings. Gina's face is also in here. But man, I really like this sneaker. More of the story than the actual design, but the design ain't bad. Actually, looking at the sneakers, it kind of remind me of these woman exclusive Jordan 1s we got a couple of years ago. I think they called the Rex. I still ain't get to wear these yet. But comparing them side by side, it looks like when Jordan 1 does, like, I guess I don't really want to say a woman's sneaker, because this was a woman's sneaker. Even though this was made from a woman's story, it's not considered a woman's sneaker. I actually got my size, 10.5 men. So it's really not woman, but the similarities are like almost there. Yeah, man. So again, this is the Jordan 1 SP Gina review. Just wanted to give more light to this shoe, because I was figuring why it's not like sought after more. In the comment section below, let me know if you cop. Let me know if you knew the story behind Gina. I looked at StockX, and prices for the regular box were like very good, man. I think talking $260, $250. I think the sneaker, when I brought it, I think it was $200, the Shoe Palace version. So again, the price is not bad, but I did not check the prices on the special box. But it can't be way more than $260, probably less than $350, in my opinion, man. Again, I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, man. If you haven't subscribed, you could do that, but like the video, man. Everybody get rich.